Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We know when you're gonna be moving houses, whether it's to a bigger space or a smaller space, it can be daunting to pack up your things and just go to your new place. But for that reason, we have made this video to help you declutter your home, whether you're moving or just because you feel like decluttering your home essentially. So stick around and watch the end of the video. So the first step would be to set clear goals. What do I mean with this? You should have a plan of action, whether you want to tackle each room, one room per day, or you want to give a certain timeline to how much dedicating each area of the house. That is something you should do. Just write it down and take some time to do that, and then you can always, whenever you finish a room or an area, you can put a check mark. It's gonna feel like a sense of accomplishment when you do finish that one task. And with each small task, you'll be able to accomplish everything much faster. Tip number 2 would be set a timer. This way, it's gonna feel like a challenge. Whether you wanna make it a 50-minute timer, 30-minute timer, 60-minute timer, it's up to you. Just make it fun for yourself. Make it a challenge that you have to accomplish certain things by a certain time, and you're gonna see how much faster it's gonna be and how much faster you're gonna do it because you feel that you have to accomplish it within a certain time. Now, you can also rely on the use of apps, of technology, to help you stay focused on your goals. There are some awesome apps that I've seen out there. One's called Tody. That one makes you have a checklist essentially of each place that you've already cleaned and what still has to come. This way you'll be very centered and very focused with your goals. There's another app I also saw, it's called Centriq. This one is actually also very helpful. If you have a lot of paper, whether it's receipts, whether it's any type of documents, and we all have that drawer where we store all these documents, this one actually, you can keep these documents stored on this app. This is very helpful, and this way you can declutter basically your receipt drawer. Another tip would be to maybe sort your things by category, not necessarily by room. This way you're not going to feel too overwhelmed. What I mean is you can start with maybe just decluttering all clothing items. Next, you can tackle kitchen gadgets and so on and so forth. This way you're gonna have like smaller tasks, and like I always say, with the smaller tasks, you're gonna accomplish a bigger goal. So of course, as we are decluttering, there are a lot of things that bring up good memories, a lot of things we wish we could keep. But of course, we have to keep in mind that not everything has a purpose anymore. Some things have already served their purpose. So with that being said, when you're holding anything, just go through your mind. Does it make me happy? Do I still use it? But you have to be honest with yourselves. If you actually still use it, do I need it? Just go over these questions. See, that will help you realize if you actually still need this item. And it'll make it much more easier for you to decide what to keep, what to donate, what to throw away, and so on. So another tip would be clean as you go. As you're decluttering a space, give it a nice wipe down. If you need to vacuum, vacuum. And it's just gonna feel so much better once you're done with an area that also looks clean, feels clean, and it just helps overall have it just done basically. So of course, while you're decluttering and cleaning out your house, you're gonna be left over with a lot of junk and a lot of things you just wanna get rid of and throw away. And of course, the trash cans get full, and your trash pickup day is just once a week. And it's really hard to get rid of all of these items and having to wait for those days. So there is a very cool pickup for trash. It's called Bagster. You can actually schedule this through Home Depot. It's not available in every area, but they do provide you with these heavy duty bags, and you can just throw everything in there. They're very strong, so it's not gonna rip easily. And you can schedule your pickup whenever you're ready to get rid of this trash. This way, it's way more easy for you, and it's very convenient at the same time. So a lot of us, of course, over the time, we accumulate a lot of things which are still actually in good state, or we're just not using it. So a good use of it would be to either donate your items. We have different areas you can donate, and you can always sell your items if you want to do so. You can always use like Facebook Marketplace or any other apps, or you can do a garage sale, whatever is easy for you essentially. So you have options to get rid of your things, and someone else will make use of it essentially. You can also invest in storage bins. Storage bins are a great way to keep your things and have them for easy access. Some things you don't necessarily want to get rid of, and maybe you don't use them throughout the year, like your winter coats. So that's a good thing that you can keep your items, have them properly labeled, and just take them out when you need it. This way you'll declutter a space, and you'll have it in a way that's going to be very simple and easy to access.